Welcome to Inside the Process. Ever wonder how ketchup goes from farm to bottle? Let's dive into this incredibly journey.
It all starts here in California's Central Valley, where premium tomatoes are grown specifically for ketchup production.
Workers select only the ripest tomatoes, ensuring perfect flavor and color for our ketchup.
Modern harvesters work alongside hand pickers to efficiently collect tons of tomatoes daily.
Fresh tomatoes are immediately transferred to transport bins to preserve their quality.
Within hours of harvest, tomatoes are transported to our processing facility nearby. Forklifts carefully unload each bin and move them to the inspection area. Every bin is positioned for immediate quality inspection before processing begins.
Quality inspectors remove any underripe or damaged tomatoes manually.
Approved tomatoes move onto the washing conveyor for the first cleaning stage.
High-pressure water jets remove dirt, debris, and any surface contaminants thoroughly.
Rotating brushes provide a gentle but thorough cleaning without damaging the fruit. Air dryers remove surface water, preparing tomatoes for the sorting process.
Advanced optical sensors scan every tomato, checking size, color, and quality automatically.
Tomatoes are sorted by size to ensure even processing in the next stages.
Sorted tomatoes are elevated to the processing floor above for cutting.
Industrial rotary cutters dice whole tomatoes quickly and uniformly for cooking. Diced tomatoes enter heated cooking kettles, where they'll be transformed into ketchup.
Multiple kettles operate simultaneously to handle large volumes during peak season.
Sugar is added first, beginning the precise recipe that creates ketchup's signature taste.
Vinegar provides the tangy flavor and helps preserve the final product naturally.
A proprietary blend of spices creates our distinctive ketchup's flavor profile.
The mixture cooks for 40 minutes, thickening into smooth, rich ketchup.
Quality control tests consistency, color, and flavor at this crucial stage.
Lab testing ensures every batch meets exact specifications before bottling begins. Approved batches are pumped directly to the bottling line below.
Heated pipes maintain temperature as ketchup travels to the filling station.
Empty bottles arrive pre-sterilized and ready for filling immediately.
Automated vision systems inspect every bottle before filling begins.
Precision nozzles fill 6 bottles at once, with exact portions.
Proper torque ensures freshness while making bottles easy to open.
Heat shrink labels wrap snugly around each bottle for durability.
Labels display all required information clearly for consumers.
Batch codes and dates are printed for complete traceability.
Groups are placed into sturdy cardboard cases designed for shipping.
Each case holds 12 bottles securely for protection during transport.
Automated sealers close and glue every case consistently.
Sealed cases are inspected to ensure they'll survive shipping. Case weights are verified to ensure proper contents before palletizing. Approved cases move to robotic palletizers for efficient stacking. The robot stacks cases in stable layers on wooden pallets.
Each pallet begins with a stable base layer for maximum strength.
Each pallet holds 36 cases, perfectly stacked for stability. Corner protectors prevent damage during wrapping and transportation. Stretch wrap secures the load and protects it from moisture.
Multiple layers of wrap ensure the cases stay perfectly aligned.
Wrapped pallets are inspected before moving to warehouse storage.
Forklifts transport finished pallets to the temperature-controlled warehouse. Each pallet is carefully lifted to prevent any product damage. Pallets enter climate-controlled storage to maintain product freshness. Our warehouse stores thousands of pallets in optimal conditions. High bay racking maximizes storage capacity efficiently. Pallets remain here until orders require them for shipping. When orders arrive, pallets are pulled from inventory for shipping.
Retrieved pallets move quickly to the loading dock.
Refrigerated trucks maintain product temperature during transport.
Pallets are loaded efficiently to maximize trailer space.
Load bars secure pallets, preventing shifting during transport. Dunnage boards create stable stacking for maximum trailer capacity.
Double stacking utilizes full trailer height safely.
Each truck carries up to 26 pallets, over 900 cases total.
Proper tension prevents any movement while keeping products undamaged. Temperature monitors ensure cold chain compliance throughout the journey. Final inspections complete, the trailer is sealed for departure.
Security seals prevent tampering and ensure product integrity.
Trucks depart directly to distribution centers across the country. Within 24 hours, our ketchup reaches stores nationwide.
Thanks for watching. Thanks for your Schirmeister Clerks. Subscribe for more factory process videos.